Hello everyone, welcome to new video. Let's learn how to turn off quick add on Snapchat. So let's start. First go on your Snapchat. Now I will say you what is quick add. Snapchat's quick add is a feature that allows you to easily find and add friends on the app. It suggests users to add based on your existing contacts, mutual friends, and other factors. Quick add is located in the Add Friends section of Snapchat and can be accessed by swiping down from the camera screen, tapping the Add Friends icon, and then selecting Quick Add. From there, you can scroll through the suggested list of users and add them as friends with just one tap. Keep in mind that Quick Add only suggests users who have allowed their account to be discoverable through the feature. After that, go on your profile. Now tap on Settings. Scroll down to find See Me in Quick Add, and when you find, go on that. Now tap on this to turn off, and you are finished. So that is it for this video. If this video like you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Goodbye.